Jai Hind, my dear friends. I am Prashant Ranbagal. Here I am with a small technical idea which I would like to share with you for enriching your knowledge regarding storing your valuable documents and files for future use. My dear friends, we are getting bulk of resources from the various social media platforms like WhatsApp and some other medias also are there to share the important materials. As a teacher, I am also getting lot of documents, presentations and worksheets, files, everything. And when we are using WhatsApp, there is a lot of limitation to store the files in our mobile. We will get large number of files having different file size, and you know very well sharing files with more than 100 MB is not allowed in WhatsApp. So I would like to share such a brilliant idea. Without paying any single money, we can store all the material for maximum years up to the end of our lifetime or for after that also. The platform, we are not giving, after the emergence of WhatsApp, we are not giving much importance for these type of application. A simple application, we are storing the files in our Google Drive and digital platforms. Google Drive giving 15 GB storage facility, but this application will give you unlimited storage facility without paying any single rupee. You just use this trick, a small trick we are using for creating and saving our files. And you know very well, if we have to use additional storage facility in Google Drive also, we have to spend money. As per the policy, per month 120, 100, depending upon the storage space, we are using money for saving our files for long use. Here, when we are storing the platforms, websites, for the storage we have to give what? Bulk amount. You just watch the video up to the end. You can store all the files with the support of anybody very safely. You can utilize for a long period of time. You will never lose. You please use it and watch the video up to the end. I would like to say it is much familiar for you. Just I would like to realize its utility, how much it will be helpful for you to store the files. So once you get any files, you just directly upload. After downloading that file, just upload here. After uploading, at any time you want the online mode, you can download it or you can share it from there. So welcome my dear friend. The idea, nothing else. You know very well, one of the application now emerging as a substitution for WhatsApp. Telegram is one of the application. Oh, Telegram, how it is usable for storing files? Telegram is providing two opportunities. One is for chatting purpose and another one is for what? Storing materials in the form of a channel. Creating channel is another opportunity they are providing. So channel means what? Where we can upload the materials only. But as a discussion or chatting app, we can utilize the Telegram. For calling purpose, we can utilize it. In calling purpose and in a chat app, we can chat with my friends, our friends also, we can share it maximum materials. 2 GB size videos also we can share very easily. My dear friends, you are using in the Telegram application in mobile. Now I am showing how we can store our files very safely in Telegram using the PC application, Windows PC application. I just opened my Telegram channel, Telegram, and just click on the 3 button, the 3 dots, 3 lines. Different options are there. We can create a group for chatting and sharing. We can create a channel and we can call. Just look at that channel option is usable for storing our material for a long time. Just look at that, click on that option. Please give a small name for our channel as you wish. I just want to give us a name. where I can store maximum material. You can give a small description. Then you can give a photo for your profile. Click create option. And remember, if you are sharing your material for your friends only, click the public channel option. But if you want to store the material maximum, click private channel. Click private channel, that you can edit after any time. Once you upload the maximum material, and if you want to share any material from your channel to your friends, without adding your friends also, you can share the material. So every time keep it in mind, private channel is the best option. Save. If you want to add any member only, you click on add option, otherwise you please click skip. Now your personal storage room is ready. How we can add the material? Just look at that. In my computer, I just want to open the files, and using the files I would like to upload something. Just click on the content you want, or drag and drop option is there. Just look at that. Some options are there to add. As an attachment we can add. Click here. Like that we can add, or select the file which you want to upload, select it, drag and drop, send. My dear friends, 100% guarantee, never you will lose these files. It will be there for a long time. You know the limitation of Google Drive or storing the files in Gmail. Sometimes it will harm your computer processing also. You have a possibility to delete it. But these files which are stored in this Telegram platform will be there for a long time whenever you want. If you are uninstalling this application, there is a possibility for losing, but your account will be there. So remember, this is the small concept I would like to share with you. Kindly share this video with your friends if it is useful for you. No need of spending any single paise. We can store bulk data, any type of files. The video, there is a small shortage limitation, is that what 2 GB is the maximum file size we can store it. So kindly remember, don't forget to share this video with your friends. I have uploaded this type of lot of videos which will help you to enrich your technological ideas. Please subscribe my channel and kindly join me in the next video. Thank you. Have a nice day.